So if you want to invest in S&P 500, you need to start it now because S&P 500 are the 500 largest company in the stock market. So it's something that you need to do because all those companies are the biggest company in the world and it's going to be difficult for them to lose their money. So you can do your own research too before you start investing in S&P 500, but it's the best option. It's the best way to start investment for retirement. If you are planning for retirement, you want to have that life that you'll be happy and enjoying your money. So you will not just be putting your money in the local bank and they are using it to do whatever they want and you're not getting anything in return. It's better you invest in S&P 500. So go and do more research about S&P 500 and invest on it and let me know what you think in the comment section, guys. So the type of business that you can start right now that doesn't cost you money is affiliate marketing because you will not give anybody money to start it and it's 100% free. You can start it from your home. You can do it anytime you want. You can decide when you want to work and when you don't want to work. That is why affiliate marketing is good. So if you want to become a content creator, you can start making money by creating content for companies. So you make videos for companies and they pay you in return by doing that. It's not just like all these making videos and you are getting paid like $20 to $100. This is a huge amount of money. They are going to pay you up to like $1,000, 10-minute video and 20-minute video, just depend on the agreement you have with them. But they are going to pay you a lot of money by doing this. And you can make money today by doing research. So you can complete a particular task for a company and you get paid. Let us say, for example, reviewing a product, talking about a particular service that they have and giving them opinion about what you think and what you think that they have to remove and what they need to apply and what they don't need to apply. So all these other things is going to help you and is going to help them. And what they are doing here is to get idea of what people think about the product and the service, and you are going to get paid by doing this business. It's very, very lucrative business that you can start today. So why is it that making money is difficult to a lot of people? Is because we don't want to start. So you need to start now. When we talk about making money, I'm not talking about you going to work for your boss. You are the one that is going to discover things that you need to do that is going to make you money. So don't rely on that your boss. Don't rely on people that is around you. Rely on yourself and believe that you can do it and you are going to do it. So a lot of time people think that they need people to become successful. If you are not productive, nobody is going to be after you. You need to be productive yourself and people is going to run after you. So nobody run after failure. We run after success. That is why you see today that we all are fighting to become successful in life. So try to change the way you think, being productive. When it comes to you making money with affiliates marketing, the first thing you need to think of is the type of people that is in demand of this type of product that you are trying to promote. So we just think about making money with affiliate marketing, but you should focus on what are the demands that people are asking for. What are the type of products I can promote? What are the type of tools I can promote? What are the type of problem people are going through? You need to understand all those things so that you'll be able to focus and give people a response to that thing that they are looking for. If you are not able to understand this, you will never make money with affiliate marketing. When it comes to you ranking your website on Google, you need to focus on keyword research. Keyword research is you doing research about a particular thing that people are looking for on Google, publish it on your website, and people are going to search on Google. Let us say, for example, how to lose weight, and you have posted about how to lose weight on that your website, and you optimize that your content or that your blog, you are going to be on the first page. And Google is going to recommend your content because it's human written content, not AI written content. AI is good, but it's not going to be the best in the next generation. So we are talking about the AI revolution. So AI have come to take over. In the now till 2030, AI is going to take over. People are going to lose their job. A lot of people are going to be hungry, So from today, you need to start doing something for yourself. Start doing something for yourself. Don't rely on what Mr. A is saying or what Mr. B is saying. Just start doing something for yourself. Start being independent and start creating something for yourself, because AI is not here to play. It's going to take a lot of job from a lot of people. So what do I think about AI? So on the other hand, AI is good. It's going to help you to make your work to move faster. You are going to do a lot of things faster. But at the same time, AI is going to take a lot of things from you. It's going to take your freedom, and it's going to take your importance, and it's going to take your usefulness, because you are going to be useless tomorrow. So if you're an engineer, it's going to be difficult for company to employ you because they have AI that can do what you can do 10 times more. It's going to be difficult. That is what I think about AI. AI is going to be dangerous to people. So all those things you see are because they don't have feelings. They are not human, and they do everything that they want the way they are programmed. That is one thing. So we should be careful. We should be careful with AI. That is what I think. So how you can become productive in life is to start doing the things that you don't want to do. If you want to be productive in life, you need to keep on doing the things that you don't want to do. Let's just say, for example, you want to start a business and you don't have the idea of starting that business. You need to go and do it anyhow. Don't just think about what Mr. A say, Mr. B say. Just do it. Even if people watch it, people don't watch it, just do it. Just be productive to yourself and you will see the result tomorrow. So because everything that you are doing today is just thing that is going to make you to become who you will become tomorrow. So if you are sitting down sleeping, you'll never become somebody better. But when you change your mindset, you start doing things that is positive, you start working on yourself, you start thinking about things that is going to help you and help your generation, then you are going to move to the next level in life. So do something with yourself and do the thing that you don't want to do. Become productive. Do the thing that people are not expecting you to do.